3 exercises, high knee plus burpee plus squat hold, better than jogging 2 hour. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and tap the bell to get notification for every video we upload. And please watch the video to the end without missing my instruction to tell you how to use this exercise for your training. 1. High knee. Adding high knees to your warm-up or cardio workout is a great idea. Here are some instructions on how to do the move correctly. Begin standing straight with your spine long and your shoulders back and down, maintaining good posture. Standing on your left leg, lift up your right leg until knee reaches your waist, keeping your foot flexed and your knee bent to a 90-degree angle. Switch legs, returning the right leg to the ground while lifting the left above waist height. Make sure your arms are moving in a controlled motion, as if you were running, not swinging them. The opposite arm and leg should be raised simultaneously. For example, while you pull the right leg to your chest, raise your left arm up in front of you. Make sure to breathe between each leg, continue to alternate. 2. Burpee. There are 3 parts to a burpee. First, you get in a plank, then, you do a push-up, and finally, you do a jump squat. Here are the instructions for performing the perfect burpee. Stand with your feet about hip width apart and your arms at your sides. Bend down to the ground and place your hands in front of your feet. Jump your feet out behind you as soon as you make contact with the floor to assume the high plank position. Be sure to keep your core tight and your spine straight. Perform 1 push-up. Make sure your back is not arched and your hips are not sagging. Once you have completed the push-up, lift your focus, then hop your feet outside of your hands for a squat. You should land flat-footed, not on your heels or toes, with your feet outside and slightly behind your hands. Jump up high with your arms extended over your head. Bend your knees as you land to absorb impact. As your feet make contact with the ground, start lowering yourself to start another rep. 3. Squat hold. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, and feet turned out slightly for comfort. Keep your core engaged and your shoulders set. Put your arms up in front of you and slowly squat down, keeping your knees over your toes. Squat until the hip crease is below knee level and keep the arms in front for balance and stability. Hold this position for a while, ensuring that you continue to breathe comfortably. Alright, this is the 3 exercise that for today recommend. Now, please follow my way to do this. These 3 exercises seem easy, but combine it together will make you feel as hell. First, do high knee 30 rep, left and right include. Then, and go to burpee 10 rep. After burpee straight to the squat hold 20 seconds, this can take some time for recovery, but your leg will be feeling as hell. It's mean, high knee 30 rep plus burpee 10 rep plus squat hold 20 seconds, equals 1 set. I'm personally doing this by 5 to 10 set, I feel stronger after doing this. How about you? Alright, that's all for this video. If you like this video, please tap the like button, leave the comment below, share our channel to your friend. We need more subscriber to grow our channel. Thanks.